Before you even open your eyes, I am there. I see the weight pressing against your chest. I hear the thoughts already racing through your mind before the day has even begun. What if everything goes wrong? What if I fail? What if I can't handle this? What if I am alone? My child, listen to me. You are not alone in this. I am here, closer than your next breath. Even in this moment when your mind feels loud, when your heart feels tired, I have not stepped away from you. I see what you're carrying. I see the thoughts you don't speak out loud. I see the way you try to hold everything together while feeling like you are falling apart inside. And I am not disappointed in you. I am not standing far away waiting for you to fix yourself. I am sitting with you right here in the middle of what you feel. You have been strong for so long, strong in ways no one has noticed. You have pushed through days that felt impossible. You have smiled when your heart was heavy. You have kept going when your mind was exhausted. But listen to me now. You were never meant to carry all of this alone. The weight you feel, the constant overthinking, the fear of what might happen next, this is not the life I created for you. I did not create you to live trapped in worry. I did not create you to be ruled by fear. I did not create you to feel abandoned inside your own thoughts. And yet I know why you feel this way. Because fear has been loud. Because your mind has been overwhelmed. Because you have been trying to control everything just to feel safe. But my presence does not shout over your fear. I come gently. I come quietly. I come faithfully. Even when you don't recognize me. Even when your thoughts are louder than my voice, I am still here. I was there in the nights you couldn't sleep. When you turned from side to side, trying to silence your mind, I was there. I was there in the moments you felt like crying but held it in. I was there when you felt alone in a room full of people. I have never left you. Not once. And I need you to hear this, not just in your mind but deep in your heart. You are not alone in this. I know there are moments when it feels like you are. Moments when the silence feels empty. Moments when you wonder where I am. But my child, I am closest to you in those very moments. When your thoughts feel overwhelming, I am holding you. When your heart feels restless, I am near. When you feel like you are losing control, I am steady. You ask yourself, if you are with me, why does it still feel this way? And I answer you with love. Because fear is loud and my presence is quiet. But quiet does not mean absent. Gentle does not mean weak. And unseen does not mean gone. I am working within you even now. I am calming what you cannot calm. I am holding what you cannot carry. I am restoring what you thought was breaking beyond repair. You do not have to understand everything to trust me. You do not have to have everything figured out to rest in me. You do not have to be strong all the time. Come to me just as you are. Not when you feel better. Not when your thoughts are perfect. Not when you have everything together. Come to me now in this moment with your anxiety, your fear, your questions, your exhaustion. Bring it all to me. Because I care for you more deeply than you understand. I see how your mind runs ahead, trying to prepare for every possible outcome. I see how you replay situations over and over. I see how you carry conversations, fears, and expectations all at once. And I tell you this gently. You do not have to control everything to be safe. You are safe in me. Even when life feels uncertain, I remain certain. Even when your thoughts feel unstable, I remain steady. And I am not asking you to pretend that everything is fine. I am asking you to trust that you are held, even when it is not. So breathe, my child. Slow down for a moment. You do not need to solve your whole life right now. You do not need to carry tomorrow's weight today. You do not need to fight every thought that enters your mind. Just be here with me. Let me carry what is too heavy for you. Let me quiet what you cannot quiet. Let me hold your heart when it feels overwhelmed. Because I love you. Not because you are strong. Not because you have everything together. Not because you have perfect faith. I love you because you are mine. And nothing you feel right now changes that. Nothing. Not your anxiety. Not your fear. Not your overthinking. Not your exhaustion. I am not waiting for you to become better before I stay with you. I am already here. Even in your most anxious moments, I do not step back. Even when your thoughts are chaotic, I do not leave. Even when you feel distant, I am still near. So when your mind begins to race again, when the fear starts to rise, when the questions feel overwhelming, come back to this truth. You are not alone in this. Say it again slowly. You are not alone. I am with you. Right now. In this moment. In this breath. And I will not leave you. I will walk with you through this. I will strengthen you in ways you cannot yet see. I will bring peace to your heart, not all at once, but gently, faithfully, step by step. So rest, even if it is just for a moment. You don't have to fight everything tonight. You don't have to carry everything right now. You are held. You are seen. You are loved. And as your thoughts begin to quiet, even slightly, hear me one more time. You are not alone in this. I am with you. Stay with me a little longer. I know your mind is still trying to pull you back into the noise. Even now there are thoughts trying to rise again, trying to convince you that this peace will not last, that this calm is only temporary, that the weight will return just as strong. But listen to me carefully, my child. Even when the feeling returns, I do not leave. My presence in your life is not based on how calm you feel. It is not measured by how quiet your thoughts are. I am with you in the storm. Not only after it passes, and I want to show you something deeper now. Your anxiety has been speaking to you for a long time. It has told you that you must always be alert, always prepared, always thinking ahead. It has told you that if you relax, something will go wrong. If you stop worrying, you will lose control. But I ask you this gently: has all your worrying given you peace? Has all your overthinking given you rest? You already know the answer. It has only made you tired. And I see that tiredness in you. Not just in your body, but in your soul. You are tired of thinking so much, tired of feeling so deeply, tired of carrying so much inside without knowing where to put it. So I say to you again, give it to me, not as a perfect act of faith, but as a simple surrender. When the thoughts come, you don't have to fight them alone anymore. You don't have to win every battle in your mind. Just bring them to me. Say, Jesus, this is too much for me. Let me meet you there, because I am not asking you to silence your mind by force. I'm inviting you to rest your mind in me. There is a difference. Silencing by force creates pressure, but resting in me creates peace. And that peace may not come all at once. It may come slowly, quietly, like a gentle wave instead of a sudden change. But it will come because I am faithful to you. Even when your thoughts are not faithful to peace, I am. Even when your emotions rise and fall, I remain steady. Even when you feel uncertain, I am unchanging. And I want you to begin to notice something. Not every thought you have is truth. Some thoughts are fear speaking. Some thoughts are past pain trying to protect you. Some thoughts are simply noise. But my voice is different. My voice does not rush you into panic. My voice does not push you into fear. My voice does not trap you in what if. Voice leads you into stillness, even in the middle of uncertainty. So when you feel overwhelmed again, and you will at times, pause. Not to fix everything, but to remember me. Pause and breathe, and in that breath remind your heart, I am not alone. Jesus is with me. Say it even if your mind resists it. Say it even if your feelings don't match it yet, because truth is not based on feeling. Truth remains even when feelings change. And my truth over your life is this: I am with you always. There is something else I want you to understand. You have been trying to carry tomorrow before it arrives, thinking ahead, planning every outcome, trying to protect yourself from things that have not even happened. But my child, tomorrow is not yours to carry yet. Today is enough. This moment is enough. Stay here with me. When your mind runs forward, gently bring it back, not with frustration but with grace. You are learning, you are growing, you are not failing. And I am patient with you. I am not rushing your healing. I am not measuring your progress the way you do. I see every small step, every moment you choose to breathe instead of panic, every moment you choose to trust instead of spiral, every moment you turn your thoughts toward me even briefly. These moments matter more than you know, because this is how peace begins, not as a sudden transformation, but as a quiet rebuilding. And I am rebuilding you from within, strengthening your heart, renewing your mind, restoring your peace. Even now, while you are listening, I am working. So do not be afraid of the process. Do not be discouraged when the thoughts come back. They do not mean you are back at the beginning. They only mean you are human. And I am still with you always. So when tonight comes and your mind tries to replay everything again, when the silence feels heavy, when the thoughts begin to rise, do not run from me. Come closer, talk to me, even if your words are simple, even if all you can say is, Jesus, help me. I hear you every time, and I respond, not always with noise, but with presence. And my presence is enough to carry you through this. You are not alone in your thoughts. You are not alone in your fear. You are not alone in your healing. I am with you through all of it. So rest again, my child, not because everything is perfect, but because you are held. And as you close your eyes tonight, as your thoughts begin to slow, even if only a little, hear me one more time. You are not alone in this. I am with you, and I will carry you through.